Now, we all know that we need to have at least 10,000 followers minimum to get that swipe up feature on our Instagram stories, right? But what if you could get that swipe up feature on your Instagram stories without having 10,000 followers? Hi, this is Minank, and today I'm going to show you how you can get that swipe up link and promote your IGTV videos without having the 10,000 follower mark on your stories. First, once you upload your IGTV video, all you have to do is create another set of video by holding your phone like this. Once you hold your phone like this, tell people like, hey, swipe up to watch my latest video on so and so topic. When you make that story video separately, you will notice a link icon on the top as you're seeing on the screen right now. All you have to do is click that link icon. It will take you to adding an IGTV video. Now, you need to add GIFs so that people will swipe up. There are many GIFs collection on Instagram. So that's it, guys. You got a swipe up link by clicking that link icon, which you never really noticed, didn't you? I know most of you have noticed it, but some of you didn't. And whenever I speak to some people, they give me mixed reactions. So was this tip really useful? Tell me in the comment section below what you're struggling with, and we're gonna make a video on that. Thanks for watching.